Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa. Today we are doing a review and tutorial with the Nude Stix Nude Beach Festival Kit. You get, you get the Nudies Matte All Over Bronzer in Sunkissed. If you guys watch my videos, you know this is one of my favorite products right now. And then you get, let's open this bad boy up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products and a sharpener. You get 1 matte eye color, 2 luminous eye colors, no, 3 luminous eye colors, and 1 matte lip and cheek and 1 gel color lip and cheek balm. You get the tin with a mirror, but the mirror absolutely sucks. I get into that into the video. But I have it on my face and on my eyes. So if you guys want to see how I like this and if you should buy it, then let's get into it. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, guys, let's get into it. Okay, so here are the swatches of all of the products. And oh my gosh, I am loving these two. This matte shade right here is absolutely stunning. And you guys know I love Sunkissed, the bronzer. Love, love, love. So we're first going to start out with the bronzer, of course. I have foundation on, and I'm doing a review of the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie. You guys, this has 100 shades. Yes, you heard me right, 100. So that's what I have on for foundation and concealer. And then we're going to put this guy on, because I'm obsessed and I wear this every single day. Like, even if you have a lighter skin tone, you could just go in with a light layer of this and it's totally gonna work, because this is so creamy and blendable. Like, it is insane. Like, you will watch how this just melts right into the skin. Like, it is so quick and so beautiful. Like, I love this color so much. And then if you're darker or tanner, you can just build it a little bit, which is what I am going to do. I have got to do something with my hair. It is awful. We will do that after. Don't worry. I cannot say this word. See that? But it's P-R-A-I-A. No idea. No, I don't know. I'm not even going to attempt it. So we are going to try to use this as a highlight. So I'm just going to tap it on the skin. We will see how this works. And then I'm going to grab a sponge and lightly start pressing this onto the skin. Okay, no. I take that back. This does not work well. It looks pretty light and beautiful on my hand, but on the face, not so much. We're gonna keep trying to blend this out. Oh my gosh. No, it just sticks. Like, it does not want to move. Gonna end up moving my base around, so I don't recommend trying that. No, don't do that. All right, instead, we're going to go in with the Trustique Highlight Stick in Maldives. And I'm just gonna grab this on my finger. Wow, if I could talk today. Just gonna grab this on my finger. This is so beautiful and so easy to use. Like, literally, it takes no time. I love it. And I have used a few of these, but I haven't used this one. I used the matte blush. This is Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm in Haven. So I am just going to, it might be too light for me. Yeah, I think this is a little too light. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna grab just a little baby bit. This is the Intense Matte and Kiss. And I'm just going to dab a small bit there on the cheeks. And then with our same brush, You guys see how easily all of these blend in. Like, it is crazy how easy these blend. So we're gonna get ready and start on the eyes. I'm gonna take a quick break and I'll be right back. Okay, so I set the under eye really quickly, and I may have also taken a cookie break. Don't judge me, I know. So let's get into the eyes. We are going to take Marooned. All right, we're gonna put this on the outer edge and into the crease. And I have a medium eye shader from Royal and Langnickel. And we're just gonna start kind of pushing this around. This brush is not working too good. Let's try a smudging brush from Real Techniques. Okay, this looks like shit. Holy cow. Like, I work with cream shadows, but I've never tried this one. It will not blend very well. All right. We're going for a redo here, fellas. Got a little bit of micellar water. All right, it's as good as we're getting. I'm gonna throw a little bit of my concealer back on it. And let's go back in with Marooned. And we're just gonna put a little baby bit. And then we're gonna try to move this guy around. I use cream shadows on a pretty regular basis. I don't use them a whole lot on camera, but I do use them on a regular basis, and this is a much harder one to apply for sure. Well, you can apply it, it just does not blend. And you have to really tug on your eye. I'm assuming it is where it's matte, but it's like as soon as you apply it, it is set. That's as good as we're going to get it. So it is what it is. This is Rustic Grotto? I don't know. These have some weird names. So we're gonna put this on our outer corner, and fingers crossed this blends, because this one's not matte. Okay, this one is way better. You can see, you can move it more. This is another luminous eye color in Praia. Not even gonna try to say that. And we're gonna put this on the inner half of the lid. It's that one matte, like, would not blend. Like, it does not matter what you did. That guy was not blending. And there is this easy eye look. We ran into a bit of trouble with Marooned here. Maybe this one's old and it's not as creamy as it should be anymore. I don't know. But I'm gonna go off camera. Fingers crossed this works a little bit better. It doesn't take me forever. And then we'll be back and we'll talk about all of these products. Okay guys, I do not like this super harsh line, so I actually grabbed some of the bronzer because I know that this blends out so easily on the face. So what I did on this eye is I just started gently pushing this into the edges and then swiping just a little bit, just so we do not have these super duper harsh edges, and I like this way better. Okay, I'm gonna go and finish up the rest of the face and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I threw on some mascara, some half lashes, and I put on Kiss, but it's way too pinky for me. So we're gonna throw this one on over top. This is the other lip color in Haven. Same one we used on our face. Still pink, but it's a little bit better. So this is what we've got. There's the eyes and the face. And let me tell you what I like and what I don't like and if I recommend. So this mirror is poop. Like, you legit look like you're drunk when you are looking through this mirror. I cannot even stand to look through it, like, no joke. I hate this mirror. Like, it even messes with my eyes a little bit after. I like everything about this except for the matte pencil, which was the maroon shade. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like 6 out of the 7 products. So I do recommend. It's $75, but it really is a good deal because each product individually, like, you're saving a ton of money. So if you like quicker, pretty neutral bronzy looks, I definitely recommend. I like the eye look today. So I say get it. If you have this, let me know if you like it. Also, I have a giveaway going on. It is in the Makeup Revolution Shook review and tutorial. So if you guys want to enter, hop on over to that video. But yeah, let me know if you guys enjoy these more cream type looks where there's not so much powder, it's cream products or liquid. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.